Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how to install Phoenix OS to your computer. You can install Phoenix OS to your computer, laptop, PC, mini computer, desktop, anything. That's not an issue. As you all can see, I already have installed the setup Phoenix OS exe file in my desktop. I'll show you all the website links and everything where you can download Phoenix OS. Open a Google browser or a web browser, click search download Phoenix OS, and after that you should go to the www.phoenixos.com. It's like in a China format, I don't know the letters correctly. Click on it. They might say if you have a virus guard activated, this site contains harmful programs. Don't worry about it, just continue on the website. After that you will go for a file page like this. Click on exe installer. I do not recommend you all to go for the ISO image because it's hard. If you are installing Phoenix OS to a Mac, you should go for an ISO image. Here you all can see this is based on Android 7.1 and this setup is based on Android 5.1. I will recommend you all to install Android 7.1. Click on download, then you will be directed to a Google Drive page. You all will be able to see. I'll just click on download here. Then you will have another page here. You can edit from those. I don't need to edit. I don't want to download it again. You all can download the Phoenix OS from there. I'll keep a link for that in the description. Here when I go to properties, you all can see it's the same file. Application is exe. The size of it also is about 630 MB. It's not an really good, really big file. So for you all to open it, first click on open. Then you might have to give administrative permissions in your computer. Then you all will get the page like this. You can do anything from here, like install, make a udisk and uninstall Phoenix OS also. So I will now be installing. So if you click on install, make a udisk, you will go to a page like that. Here to install you need to give the hard disk, and after that you need to select the size. I am not sure of what partition for what partition I should install this, so I'll just check on my file explorer. I will go and install it on new volume F. I don't need anything that contained in that, so I'll format the partition and show you all. As you all can see, I don't know why I have formatted it. I'll be installing Phoenix OS to the F drive. Here you all can see. I'll click on install now. Give the hard disk as F. It might differ from what partition you are installing. Give any size you want. I'll be going for 32 GB because I need a big amount of storage. This is just like a phone. That means on your computer. I'll now pause the video in the middle and show you all when the progress goes, because it might take about 2 to 5 minutes, they say. For me it actually took about 10 minutes. So you all can see as it installs, my size and the remaining size of my partition decreases. Here the progress is about a very small percent done. I will be pausing it and showing you all. Now you all can see it finished installing. You all can see all the data files are there. Because I selected 32 GB, my whole partition is full because I had about 35 GB inside that partition. Now I will be restarting my computer and I'll show you all how it boots up from the other camera. So you all can see now. So after you all install this, you all will again have to wait for some time, because this is the first time Phoenix OS is booting in your computer, so it need to take everything it needs and its memory and everything. So you all can see it's taking a little bit extra time also. So guys, that's how y'all can install. I'll put another video next week in the channel about how to boot, how this will boot up and everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That's the way how you all should install Phoenix OS. I'll show, if you all want more videos like this, just comment. I'll show you all. I'll put the next video next week in the channel, so keep the channel subscribed so you all will get the notification as soon as I upload the video. Thank you so much for watching.